One of the tools I want to show you up here is the bulk bypass tool. When you have 3,500 alerts that can potentially fire up, you get a lot of feedback around, hey, it would be nice to be able to work through these things a little bit faster rather than individually bypassing each individual rule. So you'll see here at the top a little select alerts box. Now I can either just select it, and as you'll see, it has currently selected every single unresolved warning that I have here. I can hit the bypass button and say my favorite 2 letters and A. And what did I just do? I just resolved all 22 warnings that I had to do. Now, why would I might need to do that? Number 1, I need to print something. I just need to get it printed so I can get it to my team. I need to get something completed so I can just hand it off to somebody else. Or Rob.
Another time, especially in the world I came from, if you're working in a CAT environment, you can get through 22 different warnings with 2 mouse clicks, as Harrison just showed you.
Now, I just bypassed everything. I can also select all and then reset. Please go ahead and unresolve all of these, and I've got my 22 warnings back. Additionally, I can select remaining, all the alerts that I have not bypassed yet, or I could even select all the ones specifically that I have bypassed so I can reset them.